In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get exclusive access to real estate marketing information that may transform your personal real estate business forever. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to take control of your local real estate market? I mean really dominate by taking a large portion of your market share and increasing your current sales and making your phone ring off the hook with hungry buyers and sellers. When you look at the data, there are hundreds or even thousands of people looking for your real estate services every month, but they can't find you. I'm talking about people who are basically knocking on the door saying, "Please help me, I'm ready, willing and able to buy or sell a home." But you miss out on these selling opportunities because you are lost in the sea of other agents. Can you imagine people like this being able to find your site on the first page of Google, Bing, or Yahoo when they search for that specific real estate area or niche that you fill? Imagine the power of positioning yourself to have the highest probability of success when these people come looking for your type of real estate services. Being there at the right moment and time will exponentially increase your sales and explode your commissions higher than you ever dreamed. Cold calling, begging for business, these tactics are dead. Why not work with people that want or even demand your services? Imagine working with people who desperately need your help. If you desire to explode your real estate business for your local area, then listen up, because what I'm about to share with you comes as a very exclusive offer. When I say exclusive, I mean that you will be the only agent in your area that possesses the keys to dominate your market niche. All you have to do is be the first to respond and learn about our risk-free, totally guaranteed dominate your market system. And once you have secured your position, no other agent will receive the same offer, period. Beat out your competition by signing in now and get your free information that will set you on your path to total market domination. Again, this offer is exclusive on a first-come, first-served basis, so fill in the form on this page to get instant access.